Hello all, welcome back to my channel. And this vlog is a simple lunch vlog, and we had a plan to grill the chicken on this day, and the preparation is going on. But I don't have a plan to take video on this day, but it is suddenly happened. We had started the preparation for grilling right after breakfast. As I said earlier, we had a plan to grill the chicken already, and I had marinated the chicken yesterday night and kept in the freezer. And today it take out at about at 5:30 a.m. and now it's ready to grill. At that time water had boiled and I am adding the washed rice in it. The fire has almost gone and charcoal is getting ready. This time we placed the grill onto it, but there is some more fire to go on, and we need the exact charcoal to grill perfectly. These ladies fingers are for frying and not for today. I just keep it ready for the next day. To go along with the grill, we decided to make some dips, and here we decided to make two dips, that is muttabal and hummus. For muttabal we need the eggplant or brinjal, and normally we are using the purple color, and here we get the green one, and the inner flesh of the brinjal or eggplant should be very soft. And this eggplant have almost done, and it has burned the outside and the inner flesh will be very soft. The chicken has almost done by this time, and the marination we are used here is the tandoori chicken masala, which is the store-bought one, and it was very tasty after grilling with this masala. Checking whether it is well cooked or not by using a spoon. For a refreshment, making some watermelon water by crushing with hand. For the dip muttabal, I have added the soft flesh of burnt eggplant to a blender. To that added 2-3 pods of garlic and some olive oil and 2-3 tablespoons of dahina. I will give the ingredients correctly in the description box. Dahina is nothing but the roasted sesame seed paste, and we can make it in our home too. Lastly, adding enough salt to it. When I checked the salt, it was not enough and added some more too. And also we have added the coriander leaves. I forgotten to take the video of that. Muttabal is ready by correct consistency and it is not too thick or too thin. And lastly, adding some more olive oil on the top of it, and it's just for garnish. After all that, we remember that we had forgotten to add lime juice in it, and it's a must ingredient, and added that too. Then again setting. Honestly saying, it is a very delicious dip that we all can make in our home with easily available ingredients. For the hummus, we need the white chana or the Bengal chana, and I have taken here about 2 cups of chickpeas, and to a blender added 1 green chili and a small piece of ginger and 2-3 pods of garlic. Then added the cooked chickpeas. Olive oil can be used at the time of blending, and we can adjust the consistency by adding the chana dal stock or olive oil. And lastly added the dahina paste and enough salt. And this was our lunch. As we grilled the chicken, it will not go well with the plain rice, so we moved that into kubos, hummus and muttabal grilled chicken with fresh watermelon juice. So that's it for today's vlog. If you liked it, please share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we'll meet with another video soon. Till then, bye bye.